We remember at the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as oxygen. That is the substance we are ordering. The eighth particle of the stone presents itself as respiratory architecture, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of beginnings. The Throne of Aries opens the sequence and directs the gaze toward the first breath. From this seat, oxygen reveals itself as the fuel of life, as the element that ignites every cell with released energy. What hydrogen initiated as water, helium consolidated as light, lithium activated as electricity, beryllium structured as crystal, boron articulated as bond, carbon embodied as life, and nitrogen amplified as force, oxygen ignites as metabolic fire. Every oxygen atom initiates cellular combustion. Every inhalation sustains the first impulse of living energy. Oxygen inhabits every breath, every mitochondrion that burns glucose, every cell that generates ATP. When observed from the Throne of Aries, respiration finds initiative, inaugural combustion, and the capacity to ignite life through breath. The inner fire becomes the first act. Energy organizes itself as respiratory impulse. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of inaugural combustion. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner breath and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding the gaze, the first breath becomes clear and the first face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Oxygen is calibrated. The wheel begins its conscious rotation. Thus, today we carry out this task. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am igniting the metabolic fire within me. Allow the mind to remain lit and clear at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with interrupted breath, emotional suffocation, lack of inner combustion, denial of the first breath. Emotion is brought into order through respiration. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am oxygen. Repeat it 3 times consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating the vital breath into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.